There are calls this morning for an urgent investigation into the publication of fake news stories on Facebook and Google. The News Media Association, which represents national and local newspapers, has suggested digital platforms can lead to false stories reaching a wide audience quickly. Our chief correspondent, Richard Gaisford, is in New York. So, Richard, President Trump has had a lot to say on this issue, hasn't he?
Yes, he certainly has, Kate, although his definition of fake news would appear to be very different from that of the traditional newspapers back in Britain, who are really concerned that when these stories spread like wildfire, actually they're doing a lot of damage to the traditional news, but also they're making huge amounts of money for the big tech companies because the advertising that is attracted to these stories and the clicks that they get for them. Now, today they are asking people like Google and Facebook to do something about it. We've heard from Mark Zuckerberg in the past saying, yes, something does need to be done. Today the newspapers are asking him for actions and not just words.